This is the new Iron Bull DWB 14 Dump Trailer, an 8-inch I-beam monoframe dump trailer built to take a mauling and keep on hauling. Updated features include all new lightweight and heavy-duty aluminum ramps, which take the heavy lifting out of your loading and unloading tasks and provide a lifetime of service and enhanced finish durability. Also appearing in the refresh is a modified dump box design, making the lower 8-inch I-beam grab attention for an even more aggressive look. An all-new weather strip toolbox has also been added, keeping your controls and cargo safe, secure, and out of the elements. With a 7-gauge steel floor, 10-gauge walls, and a 14,999-pound GVWR, it's made for heavy hauls. Available in 12-foot, 14-foot, or 16-foot lengths, the DWB offers unmatched flexibility to suit a wide range of hauling needs, from compact loads to heavy-duty equipment. Whether you're navigating tight job sites or maximizing payload capacity, there's a DWB trailer tailored to your task. A 5/16 hydraulic scissor hoist delivers a powerful and smooth lift, and the 3-way combo spreader gate gives you full control of how you unload your cargo. Stake pockets, D-rings, tarp kit, built-in charger, locking toolbox, it's all there, ready for work. Iron Bull, where durability meets affordability.